In this video, we are going to focus on naming a couple different kinds of polynomials. These are some of the common ones that show up. What is a monomial, a binomial, or a trinomial? And a polynomial is like a polygon. It's just a many-termed expression where what is a monomial? A monomial is what it sounds like, one term. So examples of that would be like a 2x, would be like a 5x cubed, would be like just a number, would be a negative 6x to the 10th, and on and on and on and on. Right, so notice how there's no plus or minus, and that's it. So a binomial is two terms. So you have something like an x plus 1. They're not like terms, you can't put them together. And so that, and there's two of them, so it's a binomial. X squared plus 1 or plus x or something like that. Right, you can't put them together. It doesn't matter if it's a plus, doesn't matter if it's a minus, but there's two individual terms that can't go together. And then the last is a trinomial. Is three terms. Okay, so x squared plus an x plus a 1, something like that. Obviously, it goes on and on and on, but really kind of lose names for it after that. It's just 4 terms, 5 terms, 6 terms, something like that. But if you do have 3 terms, it's referred to as a trinomial, 2 terms is referred to a binomial, and 1 term is referred to as a monomial. So with a couple examples here, what is this? This would be, so we're identifying which are polynomials. So this is a polynomial. And then let's give it a name. It's a polynomial, and then it is a monomial specifically. Sorry, a binomial, 2 terms. All right, and then the next one. Now this one's tricky. It feels like it should be, it's a polynomial. This is the only one that would not be a polynomial because of the variable in the denominator. But this is a polynomial, but it feels like it should be a binomial. But because it hasn't been distributed through, it's technically just 4 times something. It's like 2 times something. Right? It doesn't feel right at all, but it's actually a monomial. If you would distribute it, then you'd have a binomial. So remember, sometimes if you distribute something together, you get more terms. And that is not uncommon that you'll see in later types of videos. Okay, so since it's not distributed, it's just a number times something, so which makes it a monomial. And then this one is not a polynomial. And then your last one is a polynomial, and there are 3 terms. So that is a trinomial. Okay, and that was it. That was just categorizing polynomials by how many terms that they have.